A tree. A Christmas tree. It's a Christmas tree. What a beautiful Christmas tree! Decorations. These are decorations. These are Christmas decorations. The Christmas decorations are nice and gorgeous. Bauble. One bauble. 5 baubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 baubles. A box. A box of baubles. This is a box of baubles. Look, there is a bauble on the Christmas tree. What a beautiful bauble! Look, a snowman bauble. Look, a snowflake bauble. A big bauble. A little bubble. I've got a big bubble. I've got a little bubble. I've got a big red bubble. I've got a little red bubble. I've got 2 big red bubbles. 1, 2. I've got 2 big red bubbles. Take a bubble and hang it on the Christmas tree. Take a bubble and hang it on the Christmas tree. A boy. Look, a boy is hanging a bubble on the Christmas tree. A girl. Look, a girl is hanging a bubble on the Christmas tree. What beautiful bubbles! Tinsels. These are tinsels. Let's hang tinsels on the Christmas tree. A star. It's a star. What a beautiful star! Take the star and put it on the top of the Christmas tree. Lights. Take lights and hang them on the Christmas tree. Look, what a beautiful Christmas tree! What a beautiful Christmas tree!